Hello, it's Rick Bo. Got a new product to show you. I think it's the final piece of my lawn care puzzle that I needed before I could get started this year. I have got here a Echo. It's the PB-250LN handheld leaf blower. It's I was trying to find the ratings on it. 391 CFM, 165 mile per hour. It's got a 5-year consumer warranty, a 2-year commercial warranty. And let's open it up here and see what we got. Okay, we got some Power Blend 2-stroke oil, but I've got the Red Armor already pre-mixed fuel, so I'm gonna put that in it. Got the extensions for the nozzle. Here's the instruction books. I think that's everything. I think this will do fine for what I need it to do. I've been using a little cheap handheld blower. It didn't run very good. So I think this will be a huge upgrade over that. And when that one wouldn't run, I was using a plug-in electric blower and had to haul my generator around with me to power it. So let's put some fuel in this thing. Let's see if we can do a start on it. Boy, the cap's on there tight. Let's see. Uh-oh. Pulled too much stuff out of there. Okay, push this back in there. Okay. Put it out here in case I spill some of it. Okay. Cold start. Let's prime it. Okay. See how long it takes to crank it. Oh, I'm gonna have to turn. Yep, I've got the switch off. Got to get used to that. It should crank up pretty fast now. Okay, I think it's going to crank. Let's try to get these leaves out of here. It's quite a mess. Okay, turn this back on. Yeah, I think that'll work good. Just got to get used to it. And I guess it's got a throttle lock like a cruise control here. You can set it wherever you want. Throttle to be. Yeah, that's nice. I really like that. Okay, now if the grass will just start growing. It's not too bad of a day today. It's about 60 degrees. It's been raining all morning, but if the grass will just start growing. We can get to work. Hopefully we can get enough jobs to make some money this year. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let's get this season going. Thanks for watching.